Hello the glam babes, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you welcome sweetie. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I dye and curl my lace closure wig. So I'm going in with that dye right there. It's called the olive oil dust dye, and this is a mixture which I got together with the dust dye from a local market, and you can just get this from any local market, any local boutique where they sell hair products and hair. So right now I'm just mixing those two products together to have the nice consistency, as you can see. Moving on, I'm just separating my hair and combing it through, then going in with my dye. As you can already tell, you guys, I'm applying this from like midway of the hair right down to the bottom. So for this dyeing, you need a spatula or a hair comb. So you guys, this is the hair dye which I applied. As you can already see, the hair is already changing color in some places, but I ran out of hair dye, you guys. So I'm just gonna fast forward to about a week's time where I got another hair dye and continue the process. So stay tuned. So 1 week later, you guys, I decided to come back to this dyeing process, but this time around I went in with a different dye. As you can see, that's it right across the screen. So I'm just applying that dye back on the original one. So you want to ensure that when doing this, you guys, you have like a plastic bag tied on your hand. If not, this dye is gonna rip your fingers, like seriously. So moving to the other side of the hair, I'm just doing the same process. So you guys, what you have to bear in mind with this dye is that you really have to manage it, except if you buy it excessively, but I did not buy it much. So yeah, you really have to manage it so that it can go all around your hair. And I don't know, for some reason this dye was refusing to take the hair, the bottoms of my hair. I don't understand why. I wanted it to become gold like the way the closure is looking, but it refused. Like, you guys are gonna see the end result. Let me not talk too much. So I'm going back in on that closure and putting some more of that dye so that I can have a very, like, I can have my desired color. I was going in for ash blonde, but this is what came out. So bear that in mind when getting this dust type of dye, okay? So I just wrap the hair in plastic bags so that it can really sit in and set. Right now I'm just going to remove the plastic bag and shampoo and deep condition and wash the hair. So this is what the wig is looking right now. After about 15 to 20 minutes that I let it sit, this is what it's looking. And as I was telling you guys, the bottom of my hair practically refused to change color. I don't know why, like I do not understand, but I think maybe it's because of the quality of the hair. I don't know, but yeah, this is the hair after washed and air dried. And as I was telling you guys, the bottom of the hair refused to take the dye, but anyway, we'll do with it. Now I'm going in with my ORS olive oil spray for the hair. I'm just spraying that in the hair. Oh, I spray way too much. Anyway, right now I'm just going back in with my hair brush and just brushing down that hair. Moving on to curling, I'm going in with my curling one from, is it Remintong, something like that. I'm gonna write it down in the description box, you guys. I got this from a brocante where they sell this imported stuff here in Yaoundé, or anywhere you are in Cameroon. You can get this. These are original ones. They do the job. Okay, sis. So you guys, I did not like the way those first two curls looked, so I decided to go back and redo it. So yeah, now it's perfect. Moving on to the rest of the hair, I'm just going to repeat the same process and we're going to fast forward to when I'm done. The hair is nice and curly. As you can see, it looks nice and bouncy, and yeah, it's a total different from the beginning. But even though I did not achieve like my real expectations, I was going in for arch blonde, but I ended up with gold, you guys. But anyway, this looks good, this looks nice. With time, I'm gonna see if I will continue to dye it so it can get to the ash blonde state, but for now I'm okay with this. Just the edges of the hair, like from the bottom, that I don't really like, but anyway, this will do. So you guys, this is a finished look. This is how this hair is looking after styling, deep conditioning and shampoo washing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this my little hair tutorial, and if you like videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. And also, if you aren't already yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure that you hit the subscribe button right down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Bye guys, see you all in my next video.